Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. I am back with another hair collab, and today I will be collabing with Ishowbeauty hair. If you would like to see how I got this look, then keep watching. So this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. I hope y'all enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making. So don't forget to go shop at Ishowbeauty hair. Their link will be in the description box. Literally everything you need to know. You can use my discount code to get money off. Sis, don't say I did not plug, and I will see y'all in my next video. Also, y'all, I do recommend this hair. It did straighten very well. It could have been better, but I kind of was like in a rush. But yes, I do recommend 100% good hair, y'all. This is like my third time working with this company as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. Also, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. And I will see y'all in my next video.